AI is flattening organizations, and most leadership models weren't built for that. Layers are disappearing. Decision-making is accelerating. But trust? Trust hasn't scaled with technology, and that's the real risk leaders are facing now. When a hierarchy weakens, responsibility doesn't disappear, it spreads. Teams are asked to make more decisions. Leaders are asked to oversee systems they no longer control directly. Without trust, this creates hesitation, silence, and hidden risk. AI doesn't cause these problems, it exposes them. Trust isn't a personality trait, it's structural. It shows up in how decisions are made, how feedback is handled, and how success is shared. Leaders who haven't learned to design for trust often default to control, undermining engagement in the very systems AI is reshaping. So why does the Founders Program exist? We intentionally limited the Founders Program to 100 leaders because trust-based leadership can't be learned passively. Small cohorts create the conditions for real behavior change. The first 100 aren't participants, they're co-builders of a leadership standard for what comes next. This isn't about a program, it's about preparing leaders to rebuild trust where hierarchy no longer does the work. If you're thinking about how leadership must evolve in the AI area, I'd love to hear your perspective. Like, share, and join the conversation.